Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 1 Knowing Odd Numbers Exercise 1.3 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So question 1 says estimate each of the following using general rule. Okay. So some questions are given over here. A is 730 plus 998, B is 796 minus 314, C is 12,904 plus 2,888, D 28,292 minus 21,496. So we need to understand what is it saying. Now first of all you need to know what does the word estimate mean over here. Estimate is basically approx. It is just like a rough view of a exact quantity which is near to that or close to that. Okay, and if it says approximately, then also it is going to have the same meaning. Now what is the general rule? Okay, so first you need to understand one. Now let's solve the A part. So this is 730 plus 998. Okay, now see, if we have to round this off, so let's see, both of these digits are having their greatest place or highest place as hundreds. So you can see one's tens hundreds, one's tens hundreds. So we will round both of these numbers off to hundreds. Okay, so first we will round off 730. So see, we are rounding off to nearest hundred, so we will look at the digit at one place before it, that is tens place. So tens place we are having what? 3. Now I told you, if you get the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will turn the digits at tens place, and before tens place the places which come, that is ones to 0, and you will not change anything to the digit of the place which we are rounding off, that is hundreds, and that is 7. So 7 will be the same as it is. 30 will change to 0 value. Okay, like this. Next we will round off 998. Now see this also. Now you can very easily say that 998, if we are rounding off to hundreds, we can make it 900, or then it can go to 1000, or we will turn this to 1000. Now simply we can add them. Okay, so just a second. If we add them, so let's say let's start to sum them up. So sum will be what? 1000 plus 700, that is going to be 1700. So answer is 1700 of the first part. Now let's solve the B part. So this is 796 minus 314. Okay, now we will round them off again to 100 because their highest places are hundreds. So let's start to round them off. So first we will round off 796. Now again it is very clear, either it will be 700 or you can make it 800. So 796 is closer to 800 rather than making it 700, because that will be farther. Okay, next we will round off this 314. So let's round off 314. So again you can see it is a hundreds place. If you see, we'll move one digit back at tens place. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you see, so again that you will turn these places, these digits to 0. Tens and ones place, and nothing will change with the hundreds place. So 300. Okay, now we will again start to sum them. So 800. No, not we will sum them, but instead we will find their difference. Okay, so what will we do? 800 minus 300. Okay, so see, 0, 0, 8 minus 3, 5. So difference is 500. Okay, that is answer of the second part. Now we will solve the C part. This is 12,904 plus, what is it? 2,800, 2,808. Okay, so 2008, 8 and 8. Now again we will solve it. So what can you see here? We can round them off to the nearest thousands place. Okay, so first 12,000. So either you can make it 12,000 or 13,000. So round off 12,904. Okay, so if we are rounding off to nearest thousands place, this is thousands place, we will move one place back at the hundreds place. So we have 9 here. So 9 is of course coming after 4. So that means these 3 places after 9 and 9 also will turn to 0, and we will add 1 to 12. So 12 plus 1, 13, and 3 zeros after it. So that is 13,000. Okay, now we will do the same thing. Now we have 2,888. Okay, so see, we are rounding off to thousands place, move one place back to hundreds place. 8 is here. Again you will turn all these 3 places to 0 and 2 to 3, because we will add 1 to it. So 3 zeros after it. Okay, so that is 3,000. So when you will sum them, 13,000 and 3,000, we will get what? 16,000. Okay, so 0 0 0 0, 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and what will be as it is. So 16,000 is the answer. Now let us solve the D part. So D part is 28,292 minus 21,496. Okay, so again we will round them off. So first of all we will round off 28,292. Okay, so again if you will round them off, if you can only round them off to nearest 10,000s place, because it is the highest place. Now see, we will move to the thousands place, that is 8 here, it is more. So that means digit at thousand place and digits at the places which come before thousands place. Hundreds, tens, ones will turn to 0 and add 1 to this 2. Okay, so 2 will turn to 3, 0, 0, 0, and again 1 0. Okay, 30,000. Now we will do the same with 21,496. Okay, so if we are rounding off to nearest 10,000 place, here it is. So we go one place back, ones place. Now what will we do here? We are having 1 here, so that means we will turn the places, the digit at 1 at this place, and the digits which come place before it, that is ones, tens, hundreds. So this 4 digits will turn to 0, and we will not change anything in 2. Okay, so 2 will be as it is, 0, 0, and again 1 0. Okay, like this. So we have made. Now we will find their difference. So 30,000 and then 20,000. Okay, so difference will be what? It will be 10,000. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so that is 10,000, which is our difference and answer. Now it is saying make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction, and estimation of their outcome. So just like the questions, you have to make some questions which are almost same to it, but the numbers will be different, and you also have to show their answers by estimating their sum or the difference or the product. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.